WW Sort 46, the three sounds of the past tense ED. You may have noticed that words that are trying to show us the past tense, which means it already happened, end with ED. But there are actually three sounds that ED can make. These slashes mean that it's the sound. So this one says just D, and this one is id, and this one is t. So we are doing a sound sort. They will all have the letters ED, but we have to listen for how they sound. Jumped, loaded, rained. So think about where they go before I put them there. Needed, snowed, walked, screamed, melted, bumped. Oh, these are all coming out right in order. Turned, missed, started, passed, mailed, twisted, cleaned, handed, dressed, dusted, yelled, and asked. We have the same number of words in each column. So in these words, do notice that the base word, like this word is load, you just add ed to it. Miss, you just add ed. As long as the word isn't changing completely to a different spelling, if you're trying to do the past tense that it already happened, you're simply just going to add ed, even if it sounds like just d, id, or t. So don't spell those words with a T. We spell them with an ED. Something else to notice, an extension of this, when you have a word that ends with a silent E, like use, and you're trying to say the past tense that you already used it, you can just add a D. You can think of this as either just adding a D or as dropping an E, because you don't want to have two E's there. You just put a D onto the end of it. So used sounds like a D at the end. Here's we have the base word vote with the silent E making the O long, and we just add the D, voted. And finally we have wipe. When we say we already wiped the tables, we just add a D to the end, wiped.